Okay, hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel. My name is Yap, and today we will start our lesson 4. Okay, so lesson 4 we will focus on the replication instance. Okay, over here. Alright. So previously we have done creating the RDS, and then let us check. Okay, so basically database 1 have been created. We have all the data. Got the security group, VPC, subnet, AZ, right? So this one we have successfully created. Okay, so next we will be doing on the replication instance. Okay, so let's start with the drawing before we go to the lab. Okay, lesson 4. Okay, so as usual we need the three things over here: VPC, security group, and subnet group. It's the same apply to the instance as well, the replication instance. Okay, so this is the new instance we will create. We draw in blue, and then we have already created the RISG. Okay, then will be the blue one. This will be the subnet. Okay, later we will specify it. Then the VPC. Okay, so first we will be creating the subnet group, and then we will select the AZ. Okay, I think it's straightforward lah. I think it's the same with the RDS as well. So let's hop on to the lab. Okay, in this instance we are going to use DMS. Okay, so maybe wondering what is DMS. Data migration service. Okay, the fancy word again. So I mentioned previously, DMS, right? Okay, attached to my keyboard. Alright, so this is the replication instance. Okay, so we will create the replication instance. Okay, the name. Oh, sorry, before we create, we need to create the subnet group first. Okay, so let's create the subnet group. Okay, so we are using DMS. Let's just use the subnet as DMS subnet group. Okay, description, subnet group for DMS. Okay, VPC as usual, target VPC. Okay, the subnet. So we're going to add this one. You can just ignore that, right? Because we will add the US West to A, public A, and public B. So we will add the public subnet because it's going to go out, right? It's going to go out to see the on-prem DB, and then you need to replicate it over to the AWS, the RDS, right? Okay, so selected. Okay, let us just create this. Okay, successfully created. Okay, so the next thing we're going to do is the replication instance. Okay, let's just create one. Okay, we'll just put the same name, replication instance. Okay, description, DMS lah. Alright, just ignore it lah. This one is the resource name. Just say we just put DMS. Alright, okay, so the rest leave it at default. Okay, then VPC again, target VPC, just for the test, just put in single AZ, right? and then make sure this publicly accessible is checked, right? And then let us go to the network configuration. Okay, so just now we have created DMS subnet group, right? Availability zone west 2A, and then security group we use RISG, replication instance security group. Okay, then we can click create. So you will be creating the replication instance. Okay, so it may take some time to create the replication instance, right? I think it will be quite long. So in the meantime, let's just go back to the drawing. Okay, so VPC is target VPC, and then just now we have created is what is it again? DMS subnet group. Okay, so this one we have only single AZ, and then the AZ will be at the US West 2A, and the subnet will be the public A and B. Okay, let's go back and see the status, right? Need to refresh. Where's the refresh? Seems that it's still creating. It's a bit slow. So we can't do anything yet. Okay, just for your info, so we have created this replication instance. Okay, the status, I think still creating. It's take quite a long time. Hey, it's okay, I will wait for this, and let's come back on the next lesson when the replication instance has been created, and then we will do some modification, the changes on the security group, and then after this we will proceed to the next thing, which is to create the source and target endpoint, right? I think that's all for today. Thanks for watching, and see you on my next video, right?